Morning kids. Today in maths we will continue our chapter number 3, that is operation on big numbers. Okay, till now what we have seen? We have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That means we have completed all the 4 operations. हमने जो 4 operations होते हैं in a mathematics, that all 4 operations we have completed. Now today we are going to see the word problems. The word problems related to multiplication and division. बराबर है. आज हम क्या देखने वाले हैं? तो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. Before starting the word problems, one thing I will clear with you, okay, when we have to multiply and when we have to divide. Okay, when the information of one thing is given, when the information of one is given and we have to find the information of more than one. Okay, हमें एक चीज की इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई होगी और हमें एक से ज्यादा की जो फाइंड करने को कहा गया हो, सो दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. When the information is given of one and we have to find of more than one, that means it is multiplication. And when the information of more than one is given and we have to find of one, that means it is डिवीजन. जब हमें बहुत सारी चीजों की इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई हो और उसमें से हमें सिर्फ एक का ही फाइंड करना हो, सो दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू डिवाइड. हमें क्या करना है? डिवाइड करना है. सो व्हेन वन थिंग्स इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन, वी हैव टू फाइंड ऑफ मोर, दैट मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. व्हेन more than one's information is given and we have to find out the information of one, that means division. ये आपको इतना क्लियर करके रखना है आपके दिमाग में. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल सी आवर फर्स्ट वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. Each box, each means what students? Each means one box. One box has 22,254 pencils. One box is having how many pencils? 22,254 pencils. A single box is having. How many pencils will be in 62 such boxes? हमारे पास कितने बॉक्स हैं? 62 boxes we are having. So in these 62 boxes, how many pencils will be there? So see students, the information of one box is given. The information of one box is given and we have to find of 62 boxes. That means it is what? A multiplication. So first what the information is given, that we will write first. So what is the information given? Box, number of box and pencil. Okay, what is the information we are getting from the statement? How many boxes and pencils? So one box is having how many pencils? 22,254 pencils. One box, how many number of pencils it is having? 22,254. So 62 such boxes. 62 such boxes will have how many pencils? Okay students, so now what we have to do, you are familiar, we have to cross multiply. Whatever comes in opposite direction of question mark, that is always your denominator. क्वेश्चन मार्क के ऑपोजिट में जो भी होगा वो कहां पे जाएगा? हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर में ही लिखना है. And what will be the numerator? The remaining two things will be what? The numerator. So what I will do, I will write down the numerator. What is there in the numerator now? These two things I have to write. So 2, 2, 2, 5, 4 multiplied by what? 62 divided by 1. क्वेश्चन मार्क के ऑपोजिट साइड में 1 है, so we will write 1 in the denominator. और जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा है कि when the information of one thing is given and we have to find out of more than one, that means multiplication. तो यहाँ पे वन बॉक्स की इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है और हमें 62 बॉक्स की फाइंड करनी है. So that means multiplication. So now what we will do? We will multiply. So we will multiply, students. 2, 2, 2, 5, 4. Multiply by what? 62. So कैसे करेंगे multiplication? The number which is followed after multiplication sign. जो नंबर मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन के जस्ट बाद में है वहां से हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट करना है. So before starting the multiplication with 6, is there any number after 6? So yes, there is a one number after 6. So for that number what we will place? 0. Now 6 4s are 24, carry 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32, carry 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, carry 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. So now is any number left to multiply with 6? No. So now it is the turn of 2. So after 2, is there any number? No. So we will directly multiply. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Add now. So 0 plus 8, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 5, 7. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 as it is, 1 as it is. So what is our answer? 13,79,748 pencils will be there in 62 boxes. So for that you have to write down the answer. Okay, how many pencils are there in 62 boxes? So there are 13,79,748 pencils in 62 boxes. Okay, students. So are you clear? Okay, when the information of one is given and we have to find for more than one, that means it is multiplication. And when the information of more than one is given and we have to find for one, that means it is division. Okay, next example in next